Welcome. In this video, I will briefly explain how to connect an external monitor to your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. The easiest way to connect an external monitor to your device is by using the HDMI port, as it is built in to device's chassis. So you just have to grab yourself an HDMI cable and insert one side of it into your laptop, and the other side will go into the respective slot of your monitor. To make sure that the monitor works, you also have to separately connect it to the power supply. And once you connect the external monitor and your laptop together, you'll be able to adjust the display settings on your Chromebook. Now, by default, your Chromebook will identify an external monitor as the second monitor for your device. But if you want to mirror your screen, you can do it in settings. All you have to do is open settings menu. So let's go to the control center and click the gear icon right here. Then go to device. And in case you have more than one device connected, in device select display, and in case if you have more than one display connected to your device, you will have the arrangement menu at the top, where you can align your display, your external monitor, in the way that it is physically aligned next to your laptop. And you'll also be able to adjust the projection type, changing from the expansion of your Chromebook to mirroring your device's screen. And so and the rest of the mirroring settings will also be found in this menu. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.